Welcome! I'm going to show you how to edit the JPEG version of the glossy black mug mockup in Pixlr. So just go to pixlr.com in any web browser, and then we just want to click the Pixlr X Quick and Easy Design button. And then to open the mockup, we'll just click the Open Image button. And that'll open up a dialog where we can select the mockup off the computer. It'll ask us if we want to size it down. We don't really want to do that, so we'll just click Original and then click Apply to open the original size. And then to add your design to the mug, it's as easy as just clicking this square icon with the diagonal lines that says Add Element Image when you hover over it. And that's going to open up the Add Element box where you can just click the Add Media Browse Your Own Files button. And then it'll open up this dialog again where you can just find your design and click Open. And then the design might be, a little bit bigger or smaller than you want. So to resize it, just click and drag any of the four corners. And once you got it about the right size, you can click on the image and kind of drag it into place. If you need to resize it anymore, you can just click and drag the corner again. And that's all there is to adding your design to the glossy black mug mockup in Pixlr. Now you're going to want to save it, so just click the Save button at the bottom. And then if you're going to be using it as a thumbnail online on a website like Etsy, you'll want to save a version as a JPEG. So I'd select JPEG up here and change the quality to 100, leave it on high, and then just click Save As. And it'll open up a dialog on your computer where you can save it. You can change the name next to file name right here. So you have a new name for each of your designs. And then it's just going to think for a few seconds, and we'll close this pop-up box. If you wanted to save a layered Pixlr document, you can come back here a second time and click Save again. And then this time click on PXZ. And I would toggle non-destructive on. And then click Save As again. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you, and have a great day.